don't bounce off bed, you crawl. Your body feels heavy, your back aches, even your breath feels tight. Let's shift that in just 5 minutes. Let's hit the mat. Start in tabletop. As you inhale, arch your back, tailbone up, chest open. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest, belly to spine. It's simple but powerful. This is breath-led mobility for your entire spine and your nervous system. I promise this will wake up your core, calm your mind, and release hidden tension in the shoulders and hips. Beginners, keep your range small and slow. Advanced, add gentle hip circles or spinal waves. Did you know breath alone can shift your posture? Let's sync your breath with motion now. Hold the next exhale and round just a bit more. That just turns your breath into movement. Now let's unwind the spine even deeper. From tabletop, thread your right arm onto your body and rest your right shoulder and temple to the mat. Left arm reaches long. This opens the thoracic spine, the part of your back that gets frozen when you hunch forward all day. This will improve your rotation, shoulder health, and even your breathing pattern. Beginners, keep hips stacked. Advanced, reach your top arm overhead or behind your back. Hold for 5 more seconds. Feel that deep twist through the ribs. Let's switch sides now. Unlock both sides evenly. Other side. Reach and settle into the stretch. Don't rush. Let it unfold. Still feel tight? Breathe into that space between your shoulder blades. That just cleared space up top. Now we target the tension below. Lie on your back, cross your right ankle over your left thigh, pull the left leg in and hold. Your glutes and hips carry more than weight. They store stress, emotion, and fatigue. I promise this move helps release all of it and protects your lower back in the process. Beginners, keep the foot down. Advanced, hug the shin closer or rock gently. Five seconds. Go deeper if your body's ready. Switch sides. Cross left ankle over right thigh. If one side feels tighter, pay attention. Your body always tells you what it needs. That just unlocked your hips. Now we open up the front body. Lie on your belly, prop yourself up on your forearms, elbows under shoulders, chest open. This one is one of the gentlest ways to open your spine and one of the most underrated. I promise it decompresses your lower back, resets posture, and helps counteract sitting. Beginners, keep the chest lower. Advanced, engage glutes and lift chest slightly more. Did you know your lower back is often loud because your core is quiet? Hold steady, 5 more seconds. Feel your spine breathe. That just brought your spine back to life. Now let's finish with posture you'll carry into your day. Kneel or stand tall, interlace your hands behind you and draw your knuckles down, opening the chest wide. This is the posture reset your phone can give you. It pulls you out of that tech slump and back into alignment. I promise this will lift your mood, sharpen your focus, and help you breathe more fully. Beginners, hold a towel or strap behind your back. Advanced, fold forward while keeping your hands lifted. Lift your hands just 1 inch higher. 5 more seconds. That just resets your whole frame inside and out.